Hey, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Let's just draw. In this video I'm going to draw Naruto, as requested, and also show you guys how to draw Naruto by explaining the process. So, first of all I'm gonna draw the Konoha headband of Naruto. To draw the headband, draw rectangular shape but a bit curvy shaped one. Now let's draw sign of Konoha leaf in the headband. Now it's time to draw some detail in it. Draw 3 dots like this in both sides. Now let's draw the shape of the face. While drawing face, make the length of this area longer than the headband. Draw a straight horizontal line here to draw the jawline and connect both line down here. Let's make the line more visible and darker. Now let's draw eyebrows. Let's draw eye now. Make the eyelash area darker and a bit thick to make it look appealing. Do the same for both sides of eye. Finally, I will draw the eyeball. Draw nose between and underneath those eye, right here. Give 2 long dot near the line to draw nose, not that much long as it suit the nose it is not a problem. Now let's draw borderlines near nose to do shading later. Drawing mouth is not a problem. I guess anyone can draw it easily. Anyway, draw like how I draw the mouth, and let's draw the teeth as well. Let's make these area dark. Now the iconic Naruto whisker. 3 whisker in each side of cheek. In this remaining area draw hair, and I'll draw ear later in this part. First let's finish drawing the hair. While drawing hair, if it's hard to draw, just draw random spikes like I am doing. Now let's draw the line more darker and visible. Draw the neck as well, and for the dress it's kinda hassle to draw the dress, so let's go with this. Just a regular dress with no design. It's time to draw ear. Drawing few details in ear to make it look more better. Hatching in the neck part. Completing hair in the lower area. Now for the final look, let's shade all the important parts and make it look more darker. For the note I am gonna shade neck, ear area, a bit shading inside of face and headband, finally, shading in the hair as well. Give these area of headband more darker shade, it will look better that way. And now I finally finished drawing Naruto. Did you guys also finish drawing Naruto as well? Let me know in the comment section. And finally, before leaving, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.